जिसने भी हमारे चैनल को अभी तक लाइक नहीं किया वो लाइक कर दीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दें, जिससे हमारे आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके।
Today we will discuss about CNC machine operation. In CNC machine operation, the main function is how to on the machine. For on the machine, we will start the main compressor MCB, then main MCB of machine, then main MCB of stabilizer, then on CNC machine. This is the process to on the CNC machine. This is the main MCB for compressor. I will on the machine. This is the main MCB for CNC milling machine. This is the MCB for stabilizer. After on the stabilizer, then press start button in stabilizer. After power on the stabilizer, then switch on CNC power on button. After power on button, then select CNC on button. Then stay for 2 to 3 seconds. After screen will display, then release emergency button and press feed on button. Now no alarm will come and automatically that light will stop. This side, this portion particularly we called as character keys, and these are some numerical keys. By using these keys, we can enter number of values as well as character inside the screen. These are some special keys are available in the machine. First key is position. By using this key, we can see the current position of each and every axis. See. Now in x-axis, it is showing minus 4.903 in absolute value. There are lot of soft keys are there. If we want to select all button, then the below this button we have to press, and it will show all the position, relative value, absolute value as well as machine value. The next key is probe. Probe means program. By using this button, we will show the current program, the current running program. We will see. Then offset. By using this offset button, we can select or we can choose a particular offset for a particular job. By using offset, we can set the distance between the machine value to the job value. Then shift button. By using shift button, we can write the keys of keys like P, Q, R, U, V, W. Then can. Can means cancel. Cancel means it will remove one character from the back side, just like our backspace. See, I have written some characters. Now I am using can, means it will remove one character from back side. Then input. Generally input is used to enter some values in this table. Suppose I want to enter 5. Then message. By using this message button, we will see any type of illegal operation or any type of message of the machine. Suppose I press emergency button, then a message will come. Okay, for that purpose, message is used. Then custom graph. In custom graph, it will show the graph of the program which is in running condition. Which program you want to do in the machine. If we simulate that program, then by using custom graph we can see. Then insert button. Suppose we want to write inside the program window, then at that time insert button is used. Delete button is generally used to remove one file from a program directory. EOB means end of block. Generally it is used at the ending of a block or a line. Mode selection. In mode selection, there are several commands are available. The first command is edit. In edit mode, we can write a new program as well as we can modify any program. But the important thing is, in edit mode, whatever the activities is done, it will save automatically. Okay. Then single auto. In single auto mode, we can run the program step by step or block by block. It is easier to check whether it is wrong or right. Then auto mode. In auto mode, we can run the program continuously from start to end. Then MDI mode. In MDI mode, we can write small programs within 6 lines. But the main important thing is, in MDI mode, we can write a program as well as we can run a program. But when we run the program, automatically the program will be deleted. We cannot save permanently in MDI mode. Okay. Then this is the handle step mode. Means by using this handle step mode, we can give some pulses to the machine like 1 micron, 10 micron or 100 micron, something like that. Jog mode. Jog means jump over geometry. Okay. Select jog mode. By using jog mode, we can move all the axes with a constant speed. To use jog mode, first select jog mode, then select a particular axis. Which axis we want to move? I have selected X axis. To use jog mode, we need a jog control system. Okay. By using this system, we can select plus direction or minus direction. During selection of jog mode, we need a particular feed. For that, we can move a axis in a constant feed. Now I am selecting plus direction to move the x-axis in a plus direction continuously. Then ZRN means zero return. In this mode, we can move all the axes to its initial position or reference position. Okay. Then axis selector. By using this option, we can select a particular axis for manual operation. This is called MPG button or MPG hand wheel. MPG means manual pulse generator. Generally, this hand wheel is used to move the axis in x-axis plus or minus direction, or y-axis plus or minus direction, or z-axis plus or minus direction. But whenever we are using this button, we have to use this axis selector to select a particular axis. as well as to select the handle step mode to give a particular feed. This is the combination of this button and this button. Suppose, for example, I want to move the x-axis. For that, I have to select x-axis. Then I want to move 100 micron. Then I have to select x 100. Then the 1 division of MPG is act as 100 micron each. Now I am moving the x-axis in minus direction. Then it will display in the monitor 100 micron is moving in x-axis. This is a optional stop button. The main function of this button is we can stop a program temporarily in a particular block. Then the next button is block delete. By using this option, we can skip a particular block inside a program during auto run. Then dry run. By using this button, we can simulate a program or we can run a machine by a maximum speed. Then program check or machine lock. Generally this is used for the program simulation, but whenever we are using this button, automatically the machine axis will lock. This is emergency button. Generally it is used to stop the machine permanently. Then this is cycle on button. It is used to run a program in the program directory. Then cycle off button. Generally it is used to stop the program temporarily or just like a pause button. By using this one, just we can hold the feed but the spindle is in on condition. This is tool declamp button. For clamp or declamp a tool, generally this button is used. Then DNC. DNC means direct numerical control. First we have to see about the adapter description. This is called edge finder. This diameter of this edge finder is 10 mm and this diameter of edge finder is this side is 4 mm. Then this is called spring collet. Then this is called arbor. Then this is called holder. Then this is called pull start. Now we are going to assemble this adapter. First take a holder. Inside the holder there is a eye hole. Then insert the spring inside the eye hole quietly and clamp in this way. Then take arbor and put inside the holder and slowly tight. Then take pull start and clamp in this way. Then insert the edge finder in the spring collet. Then go to stand. Then take a C-spanner and tight the holder to clamp edge finder. Now it is ready to clamp on the spindle. After assembly of adapter, now we will see the procedure for clamp the adapter in the spindle. First, select MDI mode, then program, then write M10 end of block insert, then select jog mode and see that the tool declamp button will active. Now enter the adapter inside the spindle in a proper manner, then press tool declamp button. Then observe that the adapter will clamp properly in the spindle. Now we are going to discuss about the procedure of datum setting. Generally, datum setting is used to define the location of a workpiece in the machine. Generally, by using datum setting, we can find the distance between the machine zero value to the zero value of job. For that purpose, generally we are using a edge finder of dia 10 mm. Now I am going to show you the procedure of datum setting. First, go to position window, then select all, then slowly move the z-axis near to the job by using handle step mode, axis selector and MPG mode. In this way, move the axis and keep the edge finder near to the job in a safe place. Then select MDI mode, program button and write M03S500. Then end of block insert. Then press cycle start button. Then slowly touch the edge finder. Slowly touch the edge finder in x-axis. Then write the radius value defining a x value as per the quadrant. The radius value of this edge finder is 5 mm. So I have written x minus 5 in relative value. Then select preset in soft keys. Then slowly remove the edge finder from x-axis and touch in y-axis. As like x-axis, I have to enter the value of radius in y minus 5.0, then preset button. Then slowly remove the edge finder from job in z direction. Then do the relative value 0 in x-axis and 0 in y-axis by rotating the MPG manually. Then I have selected Y. Now see that the center of edge finder comes the center of origin of job. At the same place, select offset button, then press work in soft key. Then select one mark coordinate and keep the cursor in x-axis. Then select x 0.0, then press measure in soft key. Then input y 0.0, then press measure in soft key. Then press reset button. Now the datum setting is over. Procedure for checking datum setting. First select MDI mode, then select program button. Then write G00. Previously I have set that datum in G54. Then G80, then G90 absolute coordinate system, then G40 cutter compensation cancel, then X0, Y0 end of block insert. Then minimize the rapid feed, press cycle on button. Now we are going to discuss about program editing. In program editing, first we have discussed about procedure to create a new file. To create a new file, first select edit mode, then select program button, then select dir soft key. Then choose a number which is not present in program directory by pressing page down button. Here 317 is not present. So I have selected the program number 317 with respect to O. So I have to define O 317. Then press insert button. Now new program page will open. After pressing insert button, then EOB, select EOB, then press insert. Now this page is ready to enter program. Now we are going to discuss about procedure for program simulation. For simulation, first we have to enter a particular program in program file. This is a program for facing operation. Here it is written. To check the simulation, first select auto mode. Then press dry run button. Then press machine check and program check and machine log button. Then press cycle on button. Then select custom graph. Then select graph in soft key. Then slowly release the rapid feed override. Now the simulation graph is showing the program. Now we are going to discuss about the procedure for operating the machine. Before we start the procedure, first we have to off dry run, then machine lock button. then CNC power off, then wait for few time, then CNC power on, then CNC on button, then wait for a minute. After getting the screen, then press feed on button. Now this machine is ready to operate. Then select auto mode, then program button, then minimize the rapid feed, then cycle start button, then slowly release the rapid. Then select custom graph, then select graph in soft key.